What's up, guys? So today we're checking out this Duracell 3-packet lights I got at Costco. It's Costco item number 1600251. This thing was a really smoking deal. So obviously it's a 3-pack of lights, comes with 9, guess what, Duracell batteries. Would have been weird if there were anything else, right? But anyway, so 9 batteries, AA's, 3 lights, $10. Can't really beat it. 20 regular price, but then I found it for the 0.97 price online. I got all 3 of these for $9.97. And if you're not in the lingo, that means basically they're on clearance. When everything ends in a 0.97, it means it's on clearance, whether that's online or in store. I'll have a video discussing all the different pricing strategies Costco uses in store and online. Stay tuned for that. If you look at the back here, it shows just a variety of stuff it can be used for, just around the house, emergencies, whatever. On the high setting, which gives you 600 lumens, you're gonna get 3 hours of runtime. On the low or medium setting, it's 180 lumens, you're gonna get 12 hours of runtime. And then on the low setting, you're gonna get 50 lumens, which in a really dark situation is a pretty decent amount of light. That's gonna give you 30 hours of runtime. So let's open this guy up and check them out. Got these zip snips. They make open these little packages a snap. I got them unpackaged, obviously. Got batteries in 2 of these. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to load these guys up. So obviously it has a kickstand, so you just wanna put that back, and then right back here, there's this little door, twist it open, and then bam, there's your battery slot. It's going to show you the direction they go in. One there, one there. Battery door back, and bam! Look at that. Let's check out the unit itself. So it's got a really nice sturdy build. Doesn't really feel like it's going to break easily. It's kind of got rubber touch over here. The protective cover on the bulb feels pretty good. All in all, really durable. The battery compartment, as you just saw, is really easy to remove when you need to change it, which you won't really have to if you keep this thing on one of the lower settings. You won't have to often, at least. The included kickstand is really handy. Look how versatile that is. You can go completely flat, obviously. This angle, centered up pretty much straight. All in all, really good. So let's check out the differences in brightness. Now, obviously, I have a little bit of lighting in the room as well as some open windows, but you'll get the gist. There's 3 of them here, so I'm going to put this guy on high, medium, and then low. So to begin, first button, it's at high. That's going to be the medium. And then bam, that's going to be the low. You see the kind of differences in brightness. Again, it is broad daylight, but you get the gist of it. I have checked these out in the dark, and you know what? Even on the low setting, again, if it's really dark, that 30 hours of runtime, that's gonna come in handy. You can just hang this thing, have it good to go wherever you need it. All right, so all in all, I would say these are decent little lights, especially with the strobe function. That might come in handy for something. I see a lot of little uses for these. I might even be able to use them for kind of these little videos or just little accent lights here and there, but that's not really what they're meant for. But hey, sometimes you got to improvise. All in all, for $10, especially with 9 Duracell batteries, that's almost $10 in itself, especially if you get them at just like a grocery store or something. These were a really good buy. I'd suggest them. You always need a good light, always good to have around, and then you can definitely do worse than these. All right, so that's going to do it for this one. Until next time, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for lots more videos like this. I do DIY stuff, how-tos, reviews, especially Costco reviews, a whole bunch of those. All right, see you later. Peace.